So, hello, namaskar everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika, and today in this video, we'll be doing a teaser of Gaikwad Florio, which is located near Katevasti, Punavde, Pune, and developed by Gaikwad Corp. And this video, we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, working process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before letting you the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। गायकवाड फ्लोरियो विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन 2.25 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, in which 2 towers will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 27 floors, and 1 tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 24 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस, और इसी के बैक साइड में मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर काटेवस्ती, पुनावले, पुणे, और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रोड जा रही है डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे विद इन 1.6 किलोमीटर, पुनावले मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर, एंड ऑल्सो डी मार्ट विद इन 2.8 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, senior scout area, multi-purpose hall, party lawn, swimming pool, clubhouse, and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Gaikwad Florio has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK with 800 square feet and 3 BHK with 1064 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model, and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Gaikwad Florio, which is located near Katevasti, Punavde, Pune, and developed by Gaikwad Corp. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं, आप देखना चाहते हैं, to do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.